Rallo, and I'm bringing you this super urgent Bitcoin update, something that you must see. So make sure to watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe, share, and like this video. Let's hit at least 2,000 likes for this video. All right, and without any further ado, let's just jump right into this. And here, this is the weekly chart, and as you might remember, we were really hoping that 41,000 is actually going to hold, and so far this is starting to look like we're gonna hold it. So this is a very bullish sign. There has been a very strong resistance here at $41,000, and it might actually start repeating the history just as we saw before. This head and shoulders pattern right here, and also head and shoulders pattern here, and this is the last shoulder. And as we might remember here, a lot of people who were shorting the market got liquidated, and that gave us real nice amount of power to actually move in the upward direction. So a lot of traders were shorting the market here as well, and a lot of liquidity has been swapped. But again, even more liquidity would be swapped if we would have gone even lower to, let's say, 35,000. So we're not out of the woods just yet. However, the way I'm seeing the chart right now, it is absolutely beautiful. Let's move to the daily, and remember, in the weekly chart, the EMA ribbon is extremely important, so we need to see us going back above around 46,000. So right now, 46,000 is going to be incredibly important for us. And also in the daily chart, if we're gonna use the volume profile right here, we're gonna see exactly where we're gonna start seeing massive, we're gonna see exactly where we're gonna start seeing massive resistance, and that's going to be around $47,000 right here, where actually the volume is gonna actually start showing up, because as of right now we are in the free zone here, so we are actually free to move upward as long as we hold below $43,000. Now, guys and girls, this is extremely important. 43,000. If we can hold it, then our next target easily is going to be $46,000, and this is going to be the target that I'm gonna be looking out for. And on the way, if you're trading this breakout, which I'm gonna show you shortly, then you must be very careful when it comes to this resistance level, which has been very relevant for a while. So around this area right here, because of this resistance line, we might face some support on our way to 46,000. So make sure to watch it, because again, history repeats itself. So be very careful at around 44K. A lot of the traders who are trading it now have a target of about $44,000 right here, and because of, again, the technical reasons, and I'll show you exactly how the take profit here can be calculated, and also because of this super strong resistance line, diagonal one. Again, they're not always super precise, but here, when we had this unbelievable squeezing, which, as you might remember, I traded beautifully and made a lot of money on. So here, this is exactly the same level, which actually might give us a lot of resistance, so about 44K. So watch 44,000, and then also there is some volume here below it. So and the most important one is obviously going to be 46,000. So 46, this block of volume right here is not going to be very easy to pass, so be very attentive. Now, the biggest bullish sign here obviously is going to be this candle right here, because as you can see, we pulled back so hard, so fast. The volatility there was quite crazy, and so this is a very good bullish sign that 40,000 is something not to be messed with, so to speak. So if we move to, let's say, let's move to an hourly chart. Let's turn off the volume profile, and here you will see a very tradable structure. We had a very strong resistance here at 42,000, 42,200, and here was this false break, which I've taken, if you remember, and did it live, so quite amazing, and please give me a like for that. And also, if you want to be getting into trading and doing all these things, please go down into the description, and there's going to be a link to create your own Bybit account and get up to $4,100 in free bonuses with my exclusive link, of course, if you meet the deposit requirements. All right, so here, as you can see, we broke it. So here was the break, and I was contemplating to take it. However, the squeezing here was just, not really that perfect, and we went lower, so we did a lower low than this one here. So this was a bearish sign, but at the same time we kind of pulled back really hard. Then we created a higher low. So a little bit confusing for my taste. So I kept my fingers away. I really, as I said previously, and I'm sticking to it, as I said, I want to really see how everything plays out. But nonetheless, we are actually right now above 42,000, and we are a little bit stuck at 43,000, because again, this area right here actually poses some kind of a threat a little bit, and this is a psychological barrier of 43k right here. So this is something really want to actually go past. And this is something that we really need to pass right now. And if we take a look at a smaller time frame, let's say for example 15-minute time frame, then we'll find some kind of a flag right here, which could actually also be tradable if you are ready to long the market. So right here, just now it broke as I'm recording this video. So if you've taken it, amazing. And just remember that our target here with this small flag, technical target again, for this small move is not really that very big if you're going to be taking just this flag, and that's going to be around, let's see, around past 43,000, which again is an important number. If we're going to break 43,000, we can actually go higher. In my opinion, we're going to go at least to 44,000 if that's going to happen. And remember that if you are trading this formation here, then I would say that our target would be at let's take a look together. So we could try to, and that's what I mean, that it's not really that very clean. We could say that perhaps this area right here could actually be our target approximately. And if we put it right to here, you'll see that our target is right at 44,000. So if you did trade this breakout, or you've taken this latest one just after seeing this consolidation above 42,500, that's also fine. And just make sure that your stop is quite short in this instance, because this could be a bull trap. So be very careful. I'm personally keeping my fingers away for the time being. I really want to see how this plays out. I want to accumulate my knowledge about the current situation and then go into the market with a huge trade. So I'm preparing a really big trade. And by the way, you can actually create your account now with my link down in the description, claim the big bonus, and start getting ready for the big trade when another bull market is gonna finally begin in Bitcoin. All right, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please, if you're not registered yet for Crowell Trading Show, go to crowelltradingshow.com and enter for a chance to win a free trip to Dubai, a 2-week trip to Dubai. The winners are going to be announced on the 1st of February, and the travel to Dubai will be on the 15th of February, right through until the end of February. It's going to be an epic time. I'm going to teach you everything I know about trading. We're going to trade together here at my Dubai trading floor. Going to enjoy my golden cars. I'm going to pay for everything, for your food, plane, hotel, stay, helicopters and yachts and all the fun stuff. So I'll see you then. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in the markets. Cheerio!